Use travel apps to your advantage. Technology is your best friend when traveling during peak seasons. Travel apps can save you time, money, and stress by simplifying everything from booking to navigation. Start with apps that monitor flight prices and notify you of deals, helping you secure the best rates even during high-demand periods. These tools can track price trends and ensure you book at the optimal time. Accommodation apps are equally valuable. Many offer last-minute deals on rooms, even during peak seasons. Whether you're looking for a boutique hotel, a cozy vacation rental, or something budget-friendly, these apps give you flexibility and options. Some platforms also provide filters to help you find less crowded or offbeat places to stay, making your experience even more unique. Navigation and activity planning apps can also transform your trip. Apps with live traffic updates and public transportation schedules ensure you move efficiently, even in the busiest cities. For sightseeing, look for apps that allow you to skip lines by booking timed entry tickets or even provide virtual tours. Finally, don't underestimate the power of language translation and currency converter apps. They make international travel smoother by bridging communication gaps and helping you handle foreign currencies confidently. Armed with the right apps, you'll feel like a travel pro, no matter how chaotic the season.